vidlQ to skyrocket your views on YouTube in 2025. How to use vidlQ to skyrocket your views on YouTube in 2025. It is very important to know that as a small content creator or as a beginner, to know that vidlQ is it is a YouTuber who have high content about YouTube tutorials, whereby you can get a lot from him. When you enter on YouTube at the search for the vidlQ, you'll see a lot of tutorials about how to begin as a content creator or how to go about YouTube. It is very important to know that, or to know the big YouTubers within the world. Yes, it is like vidlQ. Yes, you are supposed to know that, so that you learn one by one, so that you'll be able to boost your YouTube or to get topics about tutorials about YouTube. Yes, it is very important to know about the vidlQ, the big YouTuber. Channel, I'm skyrocket. Please subscribe down below on my channel and may God bless you. Today we are talking about how to use vidlQ to skyrocket your views. How to use vidlQ to skyrocket your views. It is very important to know that as a small content creator, you can blow up your channel. How do you blow up? By using of vidlQ. You enter on your studio.youtube.com. On your channel customization, go to settings and go to upload default. You can see the keyword. Put vidlQ tutorials there, or the big people who have big tutorials or big views. Yes, big audience. Yes, put the word vidlQ there on the keywords. Add his audience. When people are searching for vidlQ, they will see you. Yes, it is very important to put all those big people. Yes, put them there. Keywords. Those are the keywords, so that to boost your channel and it will blow up with the views. Yes, when you do that, you will see your channel now it have started to blow up. Yes, like that. That is how to use vidlQ to skyrocket your views on YouTube. This is 2025 update. It's very important to know that when you do like that, you are boosting your channel. Yes, welcome on my channel and you learn more.